This is the full guide for your Vortex HD60. In this video, we will help you remove the back cover so that you can change your SIM card or SIM chip, so you can add an SD card or SD chip, and so that you can check your battery health. Now, stick to the end because I've got a free gift as a thank you to those who like and subscribe and share this video. So let's get started. All right, so sometimes you need to take the back cover off for any of the reasons, SIM card, SD card, or to check your battery health. I always, if we're going to operate on the back of the phone, let's start by turning the phone off. And then I'm going to give you a couple of warnings. If your fingernails are too long or too short, or it just hurts you to take the back cover off, this is what I don't want you to do. I don't want you to use a screwdriver. I definitely don't want you to use a knife. There's a little slot in the bottom right as we're looking at the video, and I'm going to show you the easy way to take it off, but I don't want you to start to take it off and accidentally slip and then jab yourself with a screwdriver and give yourself an injury. Also, this is plastic, and you have an easy chance of breaking it if you're gouging it with your knife. All right, now that we've covered not what to do, let's cover the easiest way to take the back cover off. All right, remember our phone is off, and we want to identify the little tiny notch in the bottom right corner, and I'm going to see right there. Let's see if we can, if the camera will zoom in. So there's a little notch. If you can get it with your fingernail or thumbnail, great. If you can't, the easy, let's just cut to it. Any membership card. This is my Panera card. You can use, some people have, in the comments of other videos, have said they use their driver's license, but you want to kind of hold it like this. And we're going to, here's the front of the phone, here's the bottom corner, and we're going to flip the phone like this. And I like to hold it so that I'm going to put that card right in that slot right there. And it should just pop. It should just pop open just like that. Yours might be a little tight, so you run the card right in there. And there we go. And that's how we take the back cover off the absolute easiest way. Let's move on to SIM chip and SD chip. Actually makes sense to check on our battery health first because we got to take the battery out to check on our SD card, change the SD card, change the SIM card. So your battery, make sure it's not getting puffy. Here's two examples of other batteries. They're starting to get puffy. The seams are bending. So if your battery is starting to not last as long, or it takes a long time to charge it, you might want to check your battery health. And then as you remove your battery, the other thing to check are the connection points. Make sure there's not corrosion here or here. And then let's see if this one has liquid indicator. There's not liquid indicator in the Vortex. They've taken a shortcut. Usually there's a white sticker, and if it gets a little bit of moisture, it'll show up. But let's move on. Now, with the battery removed, let's look at what the phone gives us. So this clearly is the symbol for an SD card, and this clearly is the symbol for the SIM chip. Now, again, if you've got, oh, there's a liquid indicator right there on the SD card. So when you're checking your health of your phone, make sure that that area right there is white. If it's red or pink, it means your phone has been wet. All right, let's move on. So let's say you've fulfilled your contract, you're ready to switch carriers, and you're ready to take your SIM out, and you just can't get it. Again, hurt your fingernails, too long, too short. What do you do? In this instance, you can use a screwdriver or a butter knife, and I like to hold it like you're writing, and then you still want to be super delicate because there's electronics right underneath the SIM card. And you just slide it out like this, really gently, and slide it the rest of the way out, just like that. Alternatively, sometimes I use a sewing pin, and the sewing pin can do the exact same thing. Just very gently push it out, and then with the point, it'll grip that SIM card for you. And on this side, it's safe to kind of push a little bit harder. And then lastly, let's just see if I can get it with my fingernail. And then the moisture, your fingerprint can get that SIM chip out. And then when you're ready to switch carriers, get the new SIM chip, and then just insert it right in there. Let's see if we can get that on camera for you. And you should be able to just slide it right in right there with your finger. And that's it. That's all you do. All right, now that we've covered the SIM chip, let's move on to the SD card. On the SD card slide, you bought your SD card, and you're ready to insert it. And the thing that goes, the rule for both the SIM and the SD card, if you're trying to insert it and you see metal here, metal on your SIM chip, you're doing it wrong. It has to face, metal has to face down. So on the SIM card here, it tells us that little wobbly notches are on this side, little wobbly notches are on this side, and it lays down right there, and it goes right in. Now, when you have to take out your SD card, it's easier. It's got a little bit of a ledge there, you can see, and that you can grip it with the moisture of your fingerprint and remove your SD card. All right, and now keep in mind that when you're all the way done with whatever work you've done, make sure that your battery terminals line up with the battery terminals. Clicks all the way down and it's lying flat. And then the next thing that's important is you get your back cover and you line up the window with the camera and make sure you go around 2 times to make sure it's all the way clicked like this. And that is how you remove the back cover of your Vortex HD60L to change your SIM card, to add SD card, and check your battery health. So if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. And now let me give you the free gift that might save you and your family from pain and misery if you ever forget your PIN, pattern, or password. Watch this. The traffic on this YouTube channel is for helping people who have forgotten their PIN, pattern, or password. So I'm going to give this to you for free so that you or your grandparents or your kids or even your parents will never forget their PIN, pattern, or password. So when you're setting up your phone or changing your PIN, pattern, or password, let's just do it real quick in here. I'm going to jump into settings and security, and let's go set the password, security. So I'm going to set the screen lock here. Screen lock. Let's set up a PIN, and let's set it as 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not very good, but this is just an example. All right. So as soon as you've set up, or you've helped your grandparents, your kids, or others who need your help. So as soon as you're done, you want to grab your phone information record sheet, and before you fill it out, the bottom is the most important. Store securely. So put all your important papers with all your other important papers. So in the event that someone forgets their PIN, pattern, or password to the phone, you can just go get it. So the name, you're helping your kids. Is this your phone? The date, the phone information. This is the Vortex HD60. It's black. And then if you've signed up with your Google or your Gmail account, you have to write your Google or Gmail account here in the email and password section. And then the PIN code, if you use the PIN or password or pattern, you fill it out 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, mark out what you don't use or leave blank the front and 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you use a password, or if you use a pattern, if you use the pattern here, you S for start and F for finish, and then draw however you make your password. And then store this clearly. Now let me show you where you get this. Very easy. All right, the link is in the description, jasonclements.gumroad.com/ all of that stuff. And this is the document you get, how to never forget your PIN, pattern, or password. That's what it looks like. And then you can read a little bit of, why it's important. Your phone is super important to everyone's lives now, and it's like oxygen. You need it to live. So when you go to download it, there's a little slot right here. It's going to say, let's see, $2.99. If you want to say thank you and help support the channel, pay $2.99. Otherwise, it's free. Just type in 0, click I want this, and then you can download it. So that's my thank you to help you never forget your PIN, pattern, or password. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.